Welcome to Copilot Chat Bite Size. My name is Wilfred, and I'm a Copilot Cloud Solution Architect at Microsoft. Today, we'll explore the features of Copilot Chat within Microsoft Excel. To get started, open an Excel file and you should see a Copilot icon located at the top right corner of the ribbon. By clicking on it, you can access the Copilot pane and start asking Copilot questions. Here, I've got an Excel with some bike sales data and inventory data. Let's first look at the inventory data. I need to split this model column into two, model number and bike type. This is for easy analysis. But I'm not a frequent Excel user, so instead of doing a Bing search, I can ask Copilot. The prompt I would use is, what formula can I use to split this column? Copilot looks into my dataset and here's the response. It first provides an explanation, which shows it understands my request and the column in question. And from looking into the description, it has identified a data pattern that underscore is the delimiter to split the column into two. If I scroll further down, here is the formula that Copilot has created for me. I can click on the copy code button and then click into the target cell where I want to bring the column into, paste it in, and then I just jump into the formula box, update the cell to make sure that it points to the right place. And here, I've got the model number in place, and I would do the same for the bike type. Now, say if I need to go to the sales data tab, and I need to do a cross lookup and bring the bike type here for my complete analysis, I can also ask Copilot to do that for me. Note that the way I ask Copilot questions is like talking to a person in natural language. There are more that you can do with Copilot Chat in Excel. Stay tuned for Copilot Chat in Excel episode number 2, and thanks for watching.